Close your eyes and imagine the earth, but not the one we know today. There are no forests, there are no cities or roads, only ice. Ice covers North America and Europe, reaching miles deep. This was our planet about 20,000 years ago during the coldest phase of the last ice age called the last glacial maximum. At that time, around 30% of Earth was covered in ice and temperatures were much colder than today. Surprisingly, we are still in an ice age now but living in a warmer period called an interglacial, which began about 11,700 years ago. All human civilization developed during this warm time. The reason for these ice ages lies in space. The Earth's orbit changes shape, tilt, and direction over long periods, affecting how much sunlight reaches different parts of the planet. When less sunlight reaches the north, snow does not melt and ice slowly spreads. During the ice age, sea levels were much lower and people could walk between lands that are now separated by water. Large grasslands called the mammoth steppe stretched across continents and supported many animals. These lands were home to woolly mammoths, woolly rhinoceros, cave lions, saber-toothed cats, and giant bears. Humans lived alongside them and adapted to the harsh climate. They built shelters from mammoth bones, wore fur for warmth, and used animal fat for light. They also created art, painting animals on cave walls with great skill. As the Earth's orbit changed again around 18,000 years ago, the ice began to melt. Sea levels rose, land bridges disappeared, and the world slowly took its modern shape. At the same time, many large animals went extinct as their habitats changed. Some mammoths survived until about 3,700 years ago on a remote Arctic island. The Ice Age teaches us that Earth's climate has always changed, but usually very slowly. Today, however, scientists say human activity is warming the planet much faster than natural changes. Our ancestors survived extreme conditions by adapting and working together. Now the question is whether we can do the same.